Hi guys, I wish you a very great new year for 2025. I hope that you celebrated a lot, make a lot of party, and I wish you all the best that 2025 will be the best year in your Amazon KDP publishing business, in your online business, on your personal space. So thanks for the support. I know I was a little bit inactive over the last year, but I promise I will publish a lot more videos in 2025. And therefore there's one part missing from the last year, my income report from December 2024. And many of you guys know that 2024 is, or December 24 is possibly the best month in KDP because there are a lot of people on Amazon buying stuff, gifts, presents for the family and so on. And normally or typically this should be the best month. So if you haven't done yet, subscribe to the channel because I will publish a lot of new good stuff. For example, getting reviews on Amazon.com, getting reviews on Amazon Germany. Very important for you guys. You maybe want to publish on the German marketplace, but you have no access to good reviews. And therefore I will show you a platform that is very professional in the terms of condition with Amazon. So everything is fine. Your account will not be banned. And also have great tools. I have discovered a new tool which creates you book cover designs with text, and the text is 90% of the cases correct spelled, so better than Midjourney, better than ChatGPT, Dolly free. Very excited, video coming soon. So now let's don't waste any more time and jump right into my income report for December 2024. Let's do a little recap of my November because I didn't upload a November income report. In November, I sold 1,756 books. A big success factor was my advent calendar. Yeah, this calendar made me over 1,000 sales in a single month. Absolutely crazy. And of course, the advent calendar is not representative in December anymore because no one buys in December an advent calendar. So those sales are not available anymore, but overall I made 1,000 sales, 1,041 book sales. So I'm very happy with this result. And now let's jump right into the royalties dashboard. And as you can see, in November I was able to achieve 9,657 euros in royalties, so around about $10,000. Because of the advent calendar, it made me over $5,000 in royalties, so absolutely crazy. And now this was November, and now we will jump right into December. In December, I made over 6,000 euros in royalty, and as you can see on the 24th of December, the year is ending. No one is buying gifts or books or whatever, so the print factories are closed, so nothing is happening after the 24th of December. And now, very transparent to you, I know no one shows you their ad spend because in Amazon KDP business, the most important factor is not the gross sales, 6,000 euro. The most important factor is how much money is left over after you subtract all the ad spend. Okay, so now I will show you my overall ad spend for the month of December. I have the German marketplace, it's the most present marketplace in my portfolio. Amazon FR, so the France marketplace, and then of course a little bit smaller marketplaces like Canada, UK, CAM, and so on. Okay, so right now we will jump into advertising. On the German marketplace, I had ad spends over 2,573 euros, acres 62%, and I know it's a little bit high, but overall the goal is not to make profitable ads. The goal is to make good advertising with an acres between 40 and 60% to achieve more visibility in Amazon to make organic sales. Okay, because the prices of the clicks are very high, they are increasing over the years, and now it's almost impossible to make a good amount of sales, a good amount of money with a low acres. Now the next marketplace is Amazon.com, the American marketplace, $2.33 in ad spend, so nothing crazy about it. The French marketplace, one of my best marketplaces, acres 41%, so profitable. ad spend 484 euros. And then smaller marketplaces, Canada $63, UK I don't know 15 pence or what the currency is, and Australia 97 cents. So now we have to subtract from the royalties all the ad spends, and then it will show us how much money is left over. And as you can see, my profit is 2,883 euros. So I'm very happy because the amount of ad spend was not too big. I didn't have an ACOS over 60 or 80%, so I'm happy with it. And of course I made also money with my YouTube channel, affiliate marketing, coaching, courses. If you want to see my income report about those topics, about my YouTube channel and the German channel, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell, because I will show you very transparent all the money I've earning currently with YouTube affiliate marketing and so on. And please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below. How was December for you? How was your overall cross sales? How was your profit? How was the ad spend? I'm interested in your results. And even if you only made $1, put it in the commentary section down below, because everyone is interested in your results. So then there's nothing more about to say. I wish you all the best, a happy new year, and we will see us in the next video.